a pressure to pull here. This tethers to the frame of your motorcycle. When you get on and off your bike, all you have to do is just click in, and it's ready to go. So no turning it on, no battery to charge, just activated by a CO2 cartridge. And once this ball bearing pulls out of here, this vest is going to inflate in 80 milliseconds. So it's a really rapid inflation. It's also reusable. So once it does inflate, it's going to slowly bleed off the air. But once you're all the air comes out, there's no repack. So when it goes off, just kind of...
Hey, Bill! I saw you out of the corner of my eye, but I wanted to come and see the demonstration.
Ready? 80 milliseconds.
Isn't that nice? Mark keeps filling me in.
So even a really hard impact, this is going to take that impact. And then you can see his helmet's not going to overextend here. Good.
At any given time, over 128 million Americans, 100,000 British, and countless more in nations around the globe are not prepared to face tragedy should it knock at their door. We're not always prepared or knowledgeable about remedies, but we have to live. We have to work. We want to play. We're not always forewarned of when something will go wrong, and when it does, we mostly call for help because we're not equipped to help ourselves or one another, at least until now. Introducing Rubrik's Aid. We believe people would help when they see something wrong, but if they're only equipped with a smartphone, they're limited to the assistance they can provide and the help that someone hurt can receive.
Ma'am, are you okay?
Rubrik's Aid guides you to minimize blood loss, ease someone's breathing, and mend wounds until professional help can arrive. We no longer have to hurry up and wait until medical authorities arrive on scene. Whether night or day, healing can be in every hand. Rubrix Aid is so cleverly designed that even preteens can easily use the kit and software to lend a helping hand. It's time our children become capable and learn the fundamental principles of applying first aid to themselves and others. Sporting is a major deal around the world, but the rigors of training and playing often come with a price. Our champions shouldn't suffer prolonged injuries or undue suffering because there's a lack of medical support or knowledge. Being prepared is something that people always should be. With Rubrix Aid, you can achieve this. Knowing that you have the power to aid when needed is granting security. If given a situation where Rubrix Aid is needed, you'll have the confidence to help. Rubrix Aid is the product that everyone wants and what everyone should have.
This is the Defender, the next generation in personal safety. Defender is the first smart personal protection device that provides immediate defense and automatic alert for safety and medical attention wherever you are. Imagine you or someone you love is in a situation where their safety is threatened. Defender connects to our iPhone or Android app via Bluetooth and features an integrated camera to capture an assailant's picture. Immediately, your location and the photo are sent to the proper authorities. Our 24/7 monitoring service confirms that help is on the way. The small but mighty speaker attracts attention to your situation. Defender includes the highest concentration of pepper spray provided to law enforcement. For self-defense and medical alerts, Defender protects with one push of a button.
You don't leave your house without your keys, wallet, or phone. We designed the Defender to be part of your daily routine, always on and always with you. Defender is prevention when you need it. We set out to make the world a safer place. Defender bridges the gap between technology and personal safety.
he goes. Maybe. Wow. You didn't go underwater. It's right where you were stuck. That's where I was stuck? And then you drifted over to the left where that rock is. Nope. See, this is exactly what you did. There we go. Now it's out. All right.